Ever fumble with that double click when trying to Apple Pay? Let's dive into how you can potentially bypass this requirement by tweaking your accessibility settings, making Apple Pay smoother, especially if you find that double click a bit tricky. First, head to your iPhone Settings app. It's usually found on your home screen and looks like a set of gears. Tap on it. Scroll down until you see Accessibility and tap on it. Accessibility is designed to make using your iPhone easier, and that's exactly what we're aiming for here. Within Accessibility, find Side button and tap on that. This section controls how the side button behaves, and it's where we can adjust the click speed. Under click speed, you'll see options like default, slow, and slowest. Experiment with slow or slowest. A slower setting might register your clicks more reliably and reduce the need for a superfast double click. Now, let's explore another option. Go back to the main accessibility menu, and this time, tap on Touch. In the Touch menu, tap on AssistiveTouch. Toggle AssistiveTouch on. This creates a virtual button on your screen that can perform various actions. Tap on Customize top-level menu. Change one of the icons to double-click now. Instead of physically double-clicking the side button, you can tap this virtual button to confirm your Apple Pay transaction. With AssistiveTouch active, when Apple Pay prompts you to double-click, simply tap the AssistiveTouch button you configured for double-click. Remember, these settings might not completely eliminate the need for confirmation, but they can significantly simplify the process. Experiment to see what works best for you.